Have you ever wondered why one heavy math calculation can completely freeze your entire Node.js server, ignoring thousands of other users? The answer lies in one misunderstood concept: single-threaded. Today, we are going to debunk the myths of Node.js using a simple analogy that will change how you write code forever. To understand Node, we need to look at your computer's memory. Think of your RAM as a giant industrial park. When you start a Node program, the operating system builds a process. That's our factory. Inside this factory, Node.js assigns exactly one worker. This is the main thread. Unlike other languages that might have 50 workers running around, Node.js has just this one guy. This worker is incredibly fast. He can handle thousands of small tasks, like routing a request or checking a variable, in milliseconds. Because he's alone, he never wastes time talking to other workers. But here is the danger. What happens if a heavy task arrives, like reading a massive file from the disk or waiting for a slow database query? While our single worker is struggling with that heavy system operation, the conveyor belt stops. New users are knocking at the door, but nobody answers. This is blocking. Luckily, Node.js has a secret weapon. For system tasks like reading files or talking to databases, our main worker doesn't do the heavy lifting. He delegates it to a team of hidden background workers provided by a library called libuv, while the background team handles the heavy file. Our main worker goes back to serving users. When the file is ready, the background team taps him on the shoulder with the results. In code, that tap on the shoulder is your callback function. So Node.js isn't just one worker. It's one manager with a team of helpers. Your job? Just don't give the manager a heavy box he can't delegate. If you want to master Node.js, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. What analogy should we build next?